Hello children, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Now I am going to explain you the chemical weathering because in the last video I have explained only about the physical and the biological weathering. Now I'll explain you about the chemical weathering. What is the meaning of the chemical weathering? Chemical weathering means decomposition and disintegration of the rocks due to the chemical reaction. Means the chemical reactions which are present in the water or in the atmosphere. Due to that, the decomposition and the disintegration of the rocks takes place because some of the chemicals which are having present in the rocks that are having the capacity to get dissolved in the water. And in case of the chemical weathering, minerals in the rocks are dissolved or altered, and the factors which are responsible for that are the temperature, moisture that cause minerals in the rocks to dissolve in water or convert them into other minerals. It takes place in the hot and humid areas and on the surface of the earth. The main agents or the processes of the chemical weathering are the solution, oxidation, carbonation and hydration. I'll explain you this one by one. First is the solution. Solution means in this case the weathering takes place with certain minerals which get dissolved in the acidic solution. What it means that some of the minerals are having the capacity to get dissolved by the acidic solution. For example, calcite. Calcite जो होता है वो limestone में होता है और वो easily carbonic acid से dissolve हो जाता है. And the rain water that percolates or that move into the deep cracks and the fissures of the limestone bed, उसमें calcite जो है that get dissolved and then that moves from that particular area and that results into the formation of the caves. Second is the oxidation. What is there in the oxidation? Oxidation, it is the process in which the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere, in that case the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere that reacts with the minerals and that results into the formation of the oxides and hydroxide. It is more common in the iron. You have heard about the rusting of the iron, and the rusting of the iron takes place in the presence of the water. That is, in this case, the rocks which are containing the iron in it, when that rocks come in connection with the moisture or with the water, then in that case the oxide, that is the iron oxides that come into existence, and then oxidation of such rocks form a yellowish or the reddish crust that crumble easily. This is the result of the oxygen combining with the iron in the presence of the moisture, and then there is the formation of the iron oxides which results into the removing of the iron oxide by the rainwater. Now after that, carbonation. What is the meaning of the carbonation? Carbonation, in our atmosphere the carbon dioxide is present, and when the special minerals which are present in the rock like limestone cannot be easily removed with the help of the fresh water. In that case, the presence of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that results into the into the process of the carbonation. When the rainwater comes downward in which the carbon dioxide is present, in that case the limestone means calcium carbonate that will change toward the calcium bicarbonate. Otherwise that will not get dissolved in the water in the presence of the fresh water, and that also erodes the limestone and other calcareous rocks easily through this process. And our third is the hydration. What is the hydration? In the process of the hydration, the water is absorbed by the sum of the minerals and that get swelled up, and after swelled up that changes toward the powdery mass, and in this the clay is the example of it, because when it absorbs the water, expansion takes place in that mineral particles, and that results into the that is crumbling of that mass. Clay is the example of it. Feldspar, which is the common crystalline mineral found in the rocks, absorb water, and that changes toward the mass of the clay after the hydration. And these all are the processes of the chemical weathering. I hope that you have understood this nicely. God bless you.